Hello, and today we're going to be having a look at this ARC camera flip phone. It's on the Virgin Mobile, and I believe it dates back from around about 2008. I think we'll have a look at the packaging in a minute. This is actually from America, United States, and I'm in the UK, so this ain't going to work over here. So for that reason, I'm not going to be opening it and having a look because it'll be pointless because I won't be able to use it. And I think it'd be worth a lot more in years to come if it's left in the packaging. So for that reason, I think I won't be, I don't think it's worth opening it. But anyway, I'll show you the package. I got offered this the other day for a tenner, for £10, and I thought, oh, very unusual. So yeah, I'll have it. So I think it'll be a collector's item in years to come. So without me blabbering on, let's have a look at it then. Move that. Right you are. On the top you have the Virgin Mobile. Plans without annual contracts. So read that there if you want to. Pay as you go plan. As you can see it all there. You can see that right in there. Bluetooth, wireless, web, browsing, external colour screen. Stick a message down below if you ever purchased one of these back in the day. It would be really interesting to hear your stories. Yeah. This is the Virgin Mobile network in America. And like I said, I'm from the UK, so it's not going to work over here. So, yeah. What did I say there? It's the phone. You see the phone. That's not a picture of it. That's the actual phone. It's a see-through plastic there. It's all plastic, as you can see. Never opened. And like I said, it's not worth me opening it because I'm not going to be able to use it anyway. Although I would make a good video of opening it, it's not worth me doing it. So that's not the Sprint is not heard of in the UK, as you probably already know. Here's the price of it. $49.99. $49.99, I believe. Yeah. Sprint. If you want to read the back here, you're more than welcome to pause it or whatever. I don't know if we'll be able to focus on that bit there because it's quite small. But you want to have a try. Yeah. Then you have that bit there. Network by Sprint. I believe Sprint is a big mobile network in America, the US. What's included? Your ARC phone, user manual, a battery charger, and starter guide with the latest on Virgin Mobile services and features to get you up and running ASAP, help you plan please recycle the packaging, blah blah blah. Yeah, you have that there as well. Yeah. The date is on here somewhere. It says 2008. But there, you can see it right at the bottom there, where my nail is. If it'll focus, you are 2008, Virgin Mobile USA, LP, all rights reserved. So 2008, I believe. UT Starcom. Like I said, I'd never heard of that one either, because obviously I'm in I've never ever heard of the of this for phone. Like I said, ARC. I don't think I ever heard of that name, because obviously I'm in the UK. The packaging's in really good condition. Show you just the sides and that now. That side, obviously there's the front, perfect condition. That's the actual phone in there, look. It's a see-through plastic. But obviously this one had never been touched inside, it's never been opened, it's never been tampered with. It's brand spanking new. It's the other side. Here's the top. Very good condition, no cracks or tear in the packaging at all. Very good condition. Yeah. Like I said, I'll be keeping it for my collection. I haven't got many American phones from the US. I've only got about one or two, maybe two. This is probably the third one I got. Or four at the most. But I've got quite a few mobiles. I got quite a few hundred. So a couple of people have asked me to do a video on all my phones, and I just got so many. It'd take me hours to get them all out and film them all, like. But yeah. But anyway, that is the ARC camera flip phone on Virgin Mobile from the US. As you can see there, $49.99. It says there, USA. We have got Virgin in this in the UK, although it's not so popular now as it used to be. It's we have, I think it still runs. Virgin Mobile in the UK is still going, like. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, stay safe, guys, and as always, bye.